Well, the South Berm here. Now we've got some snowpack coming down. Got a little secondary ramp in right here. We've got the windbreak. Windbreak is all packed in with snow here. Entry into the traverse, entry into the woods, and then around to the right, either to the watershed trail going this way, or the south slope lower traverse. And from the South Berm right here, this is the west entrance, and then the south entrance. This big rock right here, gonna make an interesting run. We'll see how that little one goes. And here we can see the windbreak. This is the north slope upper traverse, line of the gulch. Entry into the watershed trail, entry in to the south slope lower traverse. From the South Berm, the west entrance, and then the north entrance. Got a lot of snowblower snow that came off the deck, piled up here waiting to be topping snow for this area. The dirt here is actually a lead-in for in between these kickers for the tree for the wind, so no reason to do anything with that. I filled this stuff in, got a little cornice right here, need to pack that in a little bit more snow right in here, and then the north drop coming here, on this side of the diagonal kicker. So between the diagonal kicker here and the deck, this was the main run-in last season. Gives us first rail, second rail, third rail, and also access to the south slope lower traverse and all the runs that come off the south slope into the watershed trail. So I think rather than continue to work on this area here anymore today, it's time to come over here and give this south run a little bit of a test. Looks like I lost a glove, 2 gloves.